Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel, CraftsByAliyah. My name is Aliyah. What you'll need for this video is some yarn, 2.5mm hook or something similar, 5mm hook, some scissors, and the stitches used in this is single crochet, double crochet. We also slip stitch in this video and increase and decrease as well. Just showing the yarn I used. This is going to be part 2 of the bodysuit. I got this, I love this yarn from Hobby Lobby, I believe. I have everything in the description below. So this is where you should have left off. We left off on row number 3 and we finished our cups already. So now we're going to move on to the body. So for rows 3 through 11, you're just going to continue doing rows of double crochet, regular double crochet, no increasing, no decreasing. And that's from row 3 to 11. Really easy. Alright, so moving on to row number 12, we're going to start decreasing now. So this is row number 12. So I chain 3, turn my work, and then in the next 2 stitches I double crochet them together to create a decrease. Just like this. And then you're gonna double crochet all the way down till you get to the last 3 stitches, and you're gonna double crochet the, well, I'm gonna show you, but you're gonna decrease on the other side as well, just like this. So when you get down to your last 3 stitches, you double crochet the next 2 together, and then you do a regular double crochet at the end. And you're gonna do rows of decreasing on both sides from row 12 to 16. Just doing 1 decrease on each side of your work, so 2 decreases per row, basically, from row 12 to 16. There we go. And then this is what it should look like. It should start to come in the slightest bit, like that. Alright, so now we're on row number 17. So now we're going to decrease 4 times for each row, 2 times on either side of your work. So 2 in the beginning, you're going to decrease, and 2 at the end, just like this. And you're going to do this from row 17 to row 22. You're going to be decreasing by 4 on each row, 2 at the beginning and 2 at the end. And then when you get to the end, make sure you stop on the 6th to last stitch so that you can do your 2 decreases and then do your regular double crochet at the end. I don't like to decrease right at the very end of the work. I like to do it the stitch before, as you can see in the video. Just like this. And you're gonna make sure you decrease from row 17 to row 22. Really easy. Alright, so now we're at we did all the way to row 22. This is what it should look like. And now we're getting around to the crotch area. So now we're on row number 23 now. Chain 3 and then just do a regular row of double crochet, no increasing, no decreasing. Just go straight across with regular double crochets, and you're gonna do that from this is row number 23. So row 23 to row 26, you're just gonna do regular double crochets, no increasing, no decreasing. 23 to 26. Alright, so now we finished row 26 and we're moving on to row number 27. So now you're going to chain 3, turn your work, and then we're going to increase now. So now you're going to go right into the base of that chain 3 and put another double crochet, and then double crochet all the way to the end, and then right on that last double crochet make sure you add 2. And I'm gonna show you right now. Oops. All right, so we're at the end, and you're gonna put 2 double crochets in this space, and the rest of this tutorial is fairly simple. From row 27 to 38, you're gonna increase in the beginning and at the end of your work. 27 to 38. So now I'm on row number 39. Oh, 27 to 38, you're increasing. And on row 39 to 43, you're gonna do rows of regular double crochets. No increasing and no decreasing. And I'll try, I think, yeah, I'm just gonna put this in the description box just to make it easier, because the directions are really simple. But now we're moving on to the border. So I just started, you can start anywhere on your work. I decided to start in the crotch area, and I'm adding my secondary color. And we're gonna just do the border with single crochets. It's really easy. You just do 2 single crochets in each double crochet space all the way around the border of your work. And I find it easier to crochet over my loose ends because I do not have time for no needle or anything like that, trying to sew in ends and stuff like that. So I try my best to just crochet over it any opportunity I get. And just keep going all the way at the end, and then when we get to the top of the cup, I'll show you what to do. And we're at the top of the cup now. It's magic. It's editing magic. And you just put 2 single crochets, chain 1, and 2 single crochet into that chain 1 space. And we need that top so that we can add the straps later on in the video. And then you're just gonna continue doing your single crochets around your border. When you get to the cup, you just put 1 single crochet in each stitch, but when you're on the side of a double crochet, make sure you put 2 in that space. And then don't forget, in between the cups, that little chain 1 space, don't forget to put a single crochet in there as well. Alright, and just like that, we're at the end. And then you're just going to connect it with a slip stitch and cut your yarn. I use a lot of the same methods in a lot of my crochet tutorials. You'll see I do the same things for my border, single crochet, and I add all my straps the same way. Alright, so this is what it should look like so far, and now we're going to connect the bottoms to make it into a bodysuit. We're almost complete. Alright, so 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So on row 7 is where we're going to connect the bodysuit. And I just added some scrap yarn as stitch markers because I'm cheap. If you want to, you can go to the store and buy stitch markers, but no. Alright, so now I'm just showing you how I connect it. I really am not the best teacher on how to connect these edges. I just did it with slip stitches, but if you want to grab a needle and or if you have another method of sewing things together, by far, please do it. If you have any suggestions on how to do this better, comment down below. But I just connected it with slip stitches, and I just tried to show you up close, as close as possible, how I did it. If you need to pause the video, rewind, slow it down, really slow, feel free. But we're going to be connecting row 7 to 10 on the back side to row 40 and 43. So we're going to line up 7 with 40, 8 with 39. Yeah, I'm all trying to do numbers. But from row 7 to 10, it's the first, it's 4 rows. So 7, 8, 9, and 10 are going to connect to 40, 40, 41, 42, and 43. Row 7 to 10 is going to connect to row 40 to 43. Whew. All right, so now we're going to add the straps. Make sure you do it on both sides of your work. You know, I just got editing magic. But now we're going to add the straps. I just take my 5mm hook and I go through that chain 1 space. For some reason, I had so much trouble trying to add this dang strap. But you just pull the yarn through, pull it long enough to where you will do about 40 to 50 chains. And I'm doing double strand. I'm chaining with 2 strands. This is my favorite method of adding straps. And then I just chain up a chain about 40 to 50. I think I did 45 or something like that, but 40 to 50. And when you get to the end, cut your yarn and do the same on the other side. And you're all done. This is what it should look like. Really easy tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching part 2 of this bodysuit crochet tutorial. Make sure you click that like button. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you share this video. Follow me on Instagram at CraftsByAliyah. You know how to drill. Follow me everywhere. Bye.